Hey there, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to this video how to make money online as teen. Today, we're diving into the top 4 online gigs for teenagers in 2024. No need to worry about mindless surveys or endless video watching for mere pennies. We're talking about legitimate opportunities where you can earn real cash for real work. Stick around till the end, and I'll share a job that can net you $1,500 monthly. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. If you're keen, drop a like to support the channel, hit subscribe for more money-making tips, and let's jump right in. English tutor. First up, we have a gig that requires just one skill: English fluency. If you can speak English, you're in. Meet Cambly, an online platform where you can earn $10.20 per hour by engaging in conversations with people around the world. No teaching certifications or degrees required. Just bring your English speaking skills, and you can connect with individuals globally, sharing cultures and traditions. Payments are reliable, coming in every Monday through PayPal. Try My UI. Now, if chatting online isn't your thing, consider Try My UI. You can earn $10 per review session, lasting about 20 minutes, by evaluating websites and applications for user experience. Share your thoughts, voice your frustrations, and get paid for your valuable feedback. Payments are processed every Friday via PayPal. If you've ever left reviews on Yelp, this is a great way to turn your reviewing expertise into cash. Go Transcript. Maybe face-to-face or live reactions aren't your cup of tea. Enter Go Transcript, a platform where you can earn $1,215 monthly. Your task is simple: transcribe audio files. No need for interactions, just grab available jobs when you want. It's an excellent choice for those who prefer working behind a screen. Payments are reliable, and you have the flexibility to choose when you work. Rev Captioning Service. Lastly, we have Rev, an online job marketplace offering various opportunities, including captioning services. As a captioner, you can earn $1,500 per month by transcribing audio and syncing it with video content. If you enjoy working independently and prefer a screen-focused job, this could be your ideal gig. If you're looking to make money while you sleep. That wraps up our top online jobs for teens in 2024. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below answering the question of the day: what are you trying to buy in 2024? And until next time, happy earning. Stay committed to your journey, embrace the power of small actions, and never forget that success begins with the choices you make today. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to connecting with you in the next video. Until then, keep striving for success through intentional habits.